chicken Alfredo sloppy joes with a homemade bun. Also, chicken Alfredo rotini pasta. 2-in-1, because some people don't like one or the other. I'm going to show you how to make it. Back on my yes. Welcome to my shit show. Welcome to my shit show. Let's get this party started, my little shit show chefs. Let's cook. 3 chicken titties. Right in the bottom. Chicken broth. Pee Wee Herman. 1 cup. Garlic. I realize that a lot of you people are saying, you know, get a mic because you can't hear me. I apologize for that. That shit show charade yesterday where my mic kept shutting off and you guys couldn't hear me in my video. Yeah, I'm not about that shit. So we're just going to continue with my normal voice. I usually talk very soft anyway, so I'll try to pick up the pace on that, right? 1 stick of butter. Cream cheese. No, it ain't softened. It's hard as shit right out of my fridge. Italian seasoning. Put as much as you want or as little. Doesn't matter. Season it how you want. This is just how I'm doing it. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And if you ever question needing the ingredients to any of these recipes, go to my website. It is in my bio. I have a list of ingredients for every recipe that I make. I season heavenly and I pour alcohol heavenly. So, you don't have to put as much as I do. Toenails. And yeah, that's what they remind me of. Putting that shit right in here. I'm going to put this on the crock pot on high for probably 4 or 5 hours. Let's make something awesome again today, my little shit show chefs. I don't got my microphone on, so it should mute me and turn off. So, 1 cup of warm water. Yeast, 2 tablespoons. Tweety. Pee Wee Herman. I'm gonna whisk this up. I'm gonna make us some homemade buns for dinner. And hopefully today you can hear me through the video. Since yesterday, you couldn't hear shit. We're gonna let this sit for 5-6 minutes until it's nice and bubbly and frothy. She's foaming. Mix this by hand. I'm putting mine in the Red Rocket. Quarter cup of melted butter. I have a little bit more than a quarter of a cup, so that's what I'm doing. Liquid chicken. I'm seasoning my dough You don't have to. You can put table salt or whatever you want to put in it. I like to season my dough. 3 cups of flour. I'm going to throw this into the red rocket, and when the dough comes together, we'll be back. 3 minutes later, we have us some dough. I'm going to separate this into 8 flour. My dough's a little tacky, so we're gonna dip it in flour and work until they're not sticky. Folding them and so forth. Rolling them and putting the little gems on a parchment sheet. That's all you have to do. Just add a little flour to it. Don't over flour. Gonna do a liquid chicken wash. Pee-wee's gonna whip this up for us. The Hulk. Gonna brush our buns with some egg. Just gonna lightly sprinkle each one. Grated Parmesan. I'm gonna put this into a 400-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Dinner buns. Literally. Got some melted butter left from earlier. Hulk. We're gonna brush the buns with some butter, because butter makes everything better. We're gonna set these to the side. Our chicken, Mousecatool. I'm gonna blend this chicken up. She's shredded. Heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna put about a cup in here or so. Grated Parmesan. About a half a cup. Shredded Parmesan. And about maybe 3/4 of a cup or a cup in here. We're just gonna use it all. Just like that, you have chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna cook a pound or a half pound. This is 1 pound, so I'll probably cook 3/4 of this box, as it says on the back. I cooked the pasta. Not everyone in my house is a fan of sloppy joes, which is why we made these buns. Irregardless. For chicken Alfredo, sloppy joes. But not everyone's a fan of my house of sloppy joes. So that's why I wanted this, is so I could take some out for sloppy joes and add some pasta to the rest. I did leave 1 cup of the water in here, so it kind of loosens up the pasta. But anyway, just like that. Chicken Alfredo and rotini pasta. So, basically, a 2-in-1 meal. Now you know how to make it.